Hi guys, and welcome back to my channel. So in today's video I wanted to do a quick unboxing of two items that I picked up today. I was waiting around for my facial appointment and I decided to stop at the Galleria. I went into Saks and I saw Dior. I went just to look. I ended up purchasing two items that wasn't planned. But they're just two little small items that I wanted to show you guys what I purchased. So we'll get started with the first item. So of course it's in a little small box, so we know it's like some jewelry. So I end up purchasing the Dior Tribales double stud ear cuffs. So like little ear jewelry. It's really nice. The one thing I purchased it because I wanted something for my right ear because my hair is always turned to the left side and I really wanted something for my right ears. But just FYI, all the cuffs ear jewelry is only for the left side. They do have one that was for the right, but it was a little bit a rustic jewelry, so I didn't really like that one, but all the rest of them were for your left. So if you're looking to purchase the cuffs, just keep in mind they're only going to be for the left side of your ear. But just like overall, I really do like it. I love the star. I love that it's really simple. Being simple is more up my alley. Even though I don't even wear earrings, but I did really want, that side. The price for the cuff was $4.10, and then with tax, I think it was like $33 with tax, something like that. But just overall, I really do like it. I will insert a picture of what it's supposed to look like here at the end. The second item that I end up purchasing, I wanted something just to go with my mini book tote that I purchased because I was walking around with different Dior wallets, and I'm kind of like, I like my wallets to kind of match whatever I'm purchasing. So I end up purchasing a little small card holder for my little mini Dior tote, and it is in a burgundy oblique color, so I'm pretty sure you guys have seen this one because it's been out for a while, but I went ahead and just caved versus using the one that I was already having, just because I was in there. But yeah, so it's just going to be perfect for me, that I'll be able to, fit any cash, my cards in there. I don't really carry that much cash, and I don't carry about like two cards, well, three cards, including my driver's license. So I don't really carry that much stuff. So I just kind of need something pretty small to be able to carry. Comment down below that, do you guys go inside a store just to look around because you're trying to, kill time, and you end up just buying stuff and you probably should have purchased it, you probably technically didn't need? I'm raising my hand because I'm so bad at that. Like, I did not need, I didn't need anything. Um, but sometimes it's like therapy a little bit for you just to purchase something. But I do love both my purchases. Also this was $4.10 as well. So both items was $4.10. So I end up getting both items. Yeah, so thanks guys for watching this video. If you can please comment, like, and subscribe. Thanks. Bye.